So today in this video, all you would need for this lash mapping is some iPads, a pen, and let's get into it. So today in this video, we're going to be talking about lash mapping. If you guys are a new lash tech or you've been lashing for a minute and you really don't understand the concept of lash mapping, I'm going to explain everything in this video for you today. So let's just get into it. So you don't want to go in with using the same length. That's a big no-no, and that makes the lashes look very unnatural. Lash mapping allows you to determine what lengths of extension you should use to pinpoint the exact set that you want to apply for your client. This process in itself is very simple, but you also have those people who don't know anything about lash mapping, so I'm going to show you guys how to lash map. Alright, so this set that I'm going to do here is going to be, let's just say, a natural set. Something that's very simple, nothing too crazy. If a client comes to you and asks you what type of set she wants, a cat eye, natural eye, spiky set, is so many different looks in these lashes that you can create. But for this, I'll probably do a regular natural set. Alright, so first you want to go in and you want to map out your skeleton. So let's start with that. Okay, you draw one line right here, one line right here. You never want to go outside the corner of the eye. So wherever the end of the outer corner ends, that's where you want to draw the last line at. You just draw that. Alright, so this is what we have first. Then you want to go in and you want to mark the middle of these lines that you just created, just but shorter. Okay. Alright, like that. Okay, so now that we did this part, now you want to go in and you want to label each area of the lash set that you want to use, so you have an idea of what size lashes you need to use. So what I'm gonna do is go in, I'm gonna label this. Okay, 10. Can you guys see? All right. 11, 12. Now all I'm doing is just labeling the lengths of the lashes that I want to use on this set. So this is giving me, this is actually gonna guide me on the type of set she wants. 13, 14. Alright, so this is my lash map that I would use on a client. This is like a natural eye. Notice I put my longest length right here because when she opened her eyes, you never want to put the longest length on the end of a lash. I mean the outer corner. You always want to put like a short length or something like that because you don't want her eyes to be like a droopy eye, and or like, you know, looking like the lashes are too heavy for her face. I mean for her eyes. So with this lash map, we're gonna go in with 10s, 11s, 12s, 13, 14, 13, and 11. And this will be a type of set that I'll use for somebody who wants a natural set, nothing too crazy, but still, you know, something that will make them look awake and, you know, still beautiful. Okay, so now this is a complete lash map look for a client. So now what we do on the right eye, we will have to do on the left eye. Okay, so let's start drawing out our skeleton. Okay, now we're gonna go in and draw the little lines in between it. Now this is really simple, and then we just draw this little line right here. All right, so this side has 10, 11, okay, so this is what a lash mapping looks like. Okay, so this is the final look for the lash map. Once you actually start to understand and do lash mapping, you can create just about any type of set you would like. It just be creative when you lash mapping, because you know you can create any type of look once you start to like learn how to lash map. So yeah, that is all.